What's poppin', beauty babes? What's poppin'? What's poppin', beauty babes? What's poppin'? What's poppin', beauty babes? What's poppin'? What's poppin', beauty babes? Yes, you heard the bill. Yes, you heard that bill. Your girl done cooked up a challenge for all my mukbangers. I'm challenging all my mukbangers out here to this challenge. It's called 24/7. You got to have 4 king crab legs, 7 snow crab legs, and 20 shrimp and your dipping sauce. So you got to crack, dip, and eat, crack, dip, and eat. You got 24 minutes and 7 seconds to complete this challenge. You heard me? So like I said, I'm challenging all the mukbangers out there. I would say I would tag people, but since your girl new to these YouTube streets, I ain't gonna tag too many people because I don't know them too many people like that. I don't want to tag only the people that I know. So that's why I said to all the mukbangers out there, I'm challenging y'all to this 24/7 seafood boy challenge, mukbang challenge. 24/7, y'all. 24/7. 4 king crab legs. 7 of these. Not the cluster. 7. You can just pick them off. I picked 7 of them off. 7 of these. 20 shrimp. So I'm going to count them. Should I count them off for them? Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Y'all see that one up under there, 20. So 20 of these, 20 shrimp. Like I said, 20 shrimp. Your choice. I got these. These is what these called? The
colossals.
The colossals. So I got 20 of those, 7 of these, 4 king crabs. You got 24 minutes and 7 seconds. So the challenge is called 24/7 challenge. So like I said, I'm challenging all of y'all. So crack, dip, and eat. Let's get it. Y'all already see your girl already keep the coldest water bottle. Yes. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below. Give your girl them thumbs up. Y'all already know what to do. And tell me what y'all think about this challenge. And don't forget to do this challenge. And if you ain't got no YouTube channel, get you one and subscribe to your girl channel, Beauty B. Yes, come on, Beauty Mob family. Let's get to this challenge. I'm challenging all y'all. I want to see all the mukbangers doing this. Yes, I'll be at y'all challenges. So come on over to Beauty B page and do this 24/7 challenge. You heard me? Come on, I'm ready. Wait, let me see what I'm gonna get at first. Okay, come on. And if I don't finish this, so what? I want to see who gonna finish it though. If I don't finish it, so what? So what? What I always say, don't doubt your girl, crown your girl. I don't care if I win or lose. Don't doubt me, crown me. I'm still doing it. So let's get to this challenge. Come on.
You ready?
I'm ready.
And timer on.
Oh man, see this was right here. Cutting the doggone thing. I know beloved, she'll be able to crack these things open with no problem. Okay, y'all see I'm getting all the meat. We ain't got to eat the whatchamacallit. I cracked it. I'm dipping it. I got the sauce. Oh Lord Jesus, forgive me for not praying. Lord, best food I'm about to receive, I'll be nourished to my body. Jesus' name, amen. I'm not eating. Like that. Mm. We ain't gotta get the knuckles, y'all. Oh my God. 24/7 challenge, y'all. Get at it. Oh my God. Come on, me. I'm dipping it, y'all. Look at that. Mm. Mm. Crack, dip, and eat. Crack, dip, and eat. Crack, dip, and eat. And tell me, y'all, comment down below. And tell me y'all strategy. Crack, dip, and eat. Crack, dip, ooh, came right out for you, girl. Good looking. Crack, dip, and eat. Crack, dip, and eat. What's the minute?
18 minutes and about 30 seconds ago. So far, so good.
Y'all don't worry about the knuckles. There's no can't get some knuckles. Crack, dip, and eat. Crack, dip, and eat. Crack, dip, and eat. That was empty. Excuse me. Crack, dip, and eat. Oh. Oh my God. Y'all already know. I I got the beloved sauce in that bowl. Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh my God. The prickly things hurt. Yeah. Okay, come on. Last one came out for me. It came out good for me. Yeah, all you need. Crack it up. Oh. Mm. Ow. See, that's all right now. Mm-mm. Hang on there now. Knuckles. What's my time? These empty. Knuckle. Clap me for eat. One in there. Almost good. What's my time?
Then I got 13. Got under 14 minutes left.
Oh my God. Oh my God. We sweat. Y'all don't mind the mess. It's been messy. Oh my gosh, 3, 4, 5, 6. That ain't no meat. That's the fat stuff.
gonna make it back.
Mm. Oh. I'm telling y'all better do this challenge. It's called 24/7. 24/7 seafood wood. Tell me, baby.
24/7 seafood board challenge. 4 king crab legs,
That's that sauce.
7 snow crabs, and 20 shrimp. And you got 24 minutes and 7 seconds to try to eat it all.
Come on, Chief. Come on, Chief.
You got time. You got a lot of time.
Shoot, Chief. Shoot. Oh my goodness. Hurt my nail. What's my time?
9 minutes, 35 seconds left.
Oh God, I'm full. Zip. Excuse me. Eat. Yep. This is my last one.
You know, you done, so I can stop the timer, show them.
After that shoe.
Done?
I'm done.
7 minutes, 44 seconds, guys. Y'all see that?
7 minutes.
So that's what it took her.
Oh my God. That was fun. That was fun, y'all. That was fun. I finished it. Your girl did it. I finished it. I finished it. I finished. Okay, I got all kinds of stuff on my teeth. Y'all already know how I do. Pick.
So it took you about...
Pick. Your girl did it. Yes. And I got 7 minutes and 36 seconds left. Oh my God. Oh. Excuse me. That was... excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry. Don't be acting like y'all don't burp too. I had spoon. Can't hold them. But yes, y'all don't forget to do this challenge. 24/7 seafood mukbang challenge. Yes, your girl challenging all the mukbangers out here to do this challenge. So do it. It's fun. And your girl gonna be checking and looking and see everybody who, all the times that everybody doing them, who won, who did it, who stopped. But like I said, these challenges and stuff is all fun and games. Don't take it serious. You know, it's just fun for us mukbangers and you too. Okay. So oh my God, I can't actually believe that I finished. I finished with 7 minutes and 36 seconds left. The girl did it. Girl, give me my props. Give me my props. Don't doubt me. Crown me. Don't doubt me. Crown me. Leave it in the comment section. Yeah, Beauty B, you did it. Thank you. But don't forget your girl. Love you. To my newcomers, I love you. To my old comers, yes. Beauty B, love you. I love y'all with all my heart. Yes, I do. I be looking forward to get on this camera and talk to y'all every day. Yes. So, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and give your girl the thumbs up. And let me know what y'all think about my challenge that I came up with. 24/7 seafood mukbang challenge. You heard me? Yes. So I'm finna close out this video because I got some cleaning up to do, and I am full, like full, sleepy, full, bedtime, full, bath, full. Your girl is full. Okay, I guess that's the sleepy there too. Me letting y'all know that I'm sleepy. But yes, I can't wait to see everybody who's gonna try this challenge. I'm gonna come up with another challenge because I like doing challenges. I'm gonna try that 2 times spicy challenge with the chicken wing. Well, I guess that's coming soon. See how we gonna do with that. But yes, it's all in fun. I love having fun with you guys. Yep, I know all y'all. So the girl finna curl her clothes out this channel. And I will see y'all beauty babes tomorrow. Yes, I will. I will see you tomorrow. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, as I always say. Y'all already know what to do. Give your girl them thumbs up. And don't forget to be you, do you, and keep it cute. See ya. Bye.